Here's a 2013 Kia Optima. This Optima has get up and go-go, and it challenges mid-size sedan conventions with its bold looks and a dashboard of technology. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, auto-dimming rear view mirror, power windows, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Cars.com finds, with its creased sheet metal and low-slung shape, there's luxury car sophistication to the Optima's exterior that you don't see in a lot of family sedans. Kia, designed for fun, driven for thrills. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today. Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.